Hey, this is Florida Trailblazer. I'm on the Florida Trail here, and I'm crossing the Kitching Creek. Right here is a footbridge over it, and this is in the Dickinson State Park. And the Florida Trail is in this area here. It's very beautiful back here. Let's cross over the creek. And I come right up here to this connector trail. The Florida Trail continues into these pine flatwoods areas up here. And I can also go on the other trail here, which is a multi-use trail, back towards the park area. I'm going to head that direction right now. It's getting late in the afternoon. The sun is setting. It's great to be back here exploring. And the Florida Trail goes that way. And here's the other multi-use trail. It's flooded out right here, but I'll get around it. So I'm going to continue on in towards the park. But this is just some of the trails here that you can explore at this park. A lot of stuff to see.